Hello guys, this is Vito from ZWorks, and today we ended up finishing this Ford Fiesta ST. Originally the customer inquired to get more performance and drivability, especially at nighttime. These halogen lights don't really cut it. So we ended up retrofitting in the Morimoto H1 7.0 projector by popular choice, and we ended up recessing it fully so it's not sticking out. And at the same time we ended up painting the housings flat black, all of the original chrome, and the amber reflector ended up being painted gloss black to match the original outer gloss black trim. And then the customer, last minute, we ended up doing the switchback halos, and same thing with this LED strip that's mounted at the bottom. I will go ahead and power them on for you so you can see that. So cool thing with this is that it is switchback, so when you will be using the turn signals, it will switch to amber mode and it will blink, or you could always run it at full amber mode. So let me demonstrate that for you also. Here's the amber setting for you. So they are nice and bright. Everything matches color perfectly fine. So if you guys have any questions or you guys just need parts for your build, I'll be more than happy to assist you. You can email info@zworkslights.com or check out our website at www.zworkslights.com. Thank you.